In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to find hidden email messages on your Gmail account. You can simply see lost emails on your Google account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Gmail. If someone sent you an email but you can't find it, you will have to first head into your spam section. Just tap on these 3 lines right here. Then select this option of spam. Cross-check through your spam emails to see if you can find the email you have been looking for. In most cases, if the sender violates the Gmail terms of service, their sent email messages will always get to other people's spam section automatically. Make sure to check your spam section first. If you still can't find the email, you will have to contact the sender in any other way. They should also check their draft section. Sometimes emails might bounce back due to various reasons such as poor internet connection. That's how easy it is to see your lost email messages on Gmail. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.